Hey guys, it's Miss Rast, and our first assignment for 2021 is to look back at 2020 and create a 4-slide presentation. So I wanted to make sure that everybody understood how to do that and how to share it with me. So if you're in your Drive, you're going to click on New, and it's going to give you the options of what do you want to create. You want to do a Google slide. You can title it, but you don't have to because the directions just ask you to do 4 slides total. But what I'm really concerned about is that you are able to share it with me. So what I need you to do is click on the share button. It says private only to me. So if you send it to me right now, I would still not be able to access it. You click on share. You could just do 2020. And what I'd like you to do is first go down here where it says change link to Olathe District Schools. Then I'd rather you just go ahead and click it so anyone with the link can view it, okay? Then all you need to do is hit done. So now when we look at the share, it says anyone in the public can open it. And then when you get ready to actually submit it on Google Classroom and you click on share, then you can just hit copy link and put it into Google Classroom. Okay, so make sure that you check that button. It should tell you who has access to it, and it does need to be public. Okay, thanks.